Squaring the circle 6. MPS for Factory. MPS for Factory is a type of software that supports manufacturing companies in creating a production plan as a dynamic and digital production schedule with the generation of production orders. All data is easily transferred to all other production management systems, for example, APS, MES, SFC. Many factors must be taken into account when setting up or modifying a production plan, including inventory and load on production resources. MPS for Factory is a tool showing all the necessary data that will help you optimally plan your production for the near future or even long term. The most common benefits for users: facilitating the production planning process by using templates and automatically developing production needs for products at lower levels. Demand report for raw materials based on the basis of the approved production plan. The ability to define specific policies for creating daily production orders. Monitoring the initial load of production resources. Effective management of the production cycle of semi-products and finished products. Reduction of capital and operating costs. The increase of the productivity of machines and devices. Built-in reports for data analysis. Cyclical and easy software updates. To learn more about MPS for Factory, contact us.